What if one Bitcoin could buy you an entire skyscraper in 2046? Elon Musk's AI, Grok, made that exact prediction. It claims Bitcoin could reach $25 million per coin. It sounds outrageous, but this isn't just a wild guess. Grok combined multiple economic models and used advanced AI reasoning to get there. In this video, we'll break down how Grok arrived at that number, assess whether it's plausible, and explore what a $25 million Bitcoin world might actually look like. But first, what is Grok? It's an AI assistant built by xAI, Elon Musk's company, integrated into X, formerly Twitter. Unlike ChatGPT, Grok is connected to live data and designed to challenge mainstream assumptions. Grok's prediction is based on three major economic models. Let's walk through them. First, the CAGR model, Compound Annual Growth Rate. Historically, Bitcoin has grown by around 30% per year. Grok assumes that growth will gradually slow to around 20% by 2046. Plug that into a long-term growth curve, you get about $13 million per Bitcoin. Second, the stock-to-flow model, which compares Bitcoin's fixed supply and halving cycles to precious metals like gold. This model values scarcity. Based on projected supply shocks and growing demand, stock-to-flow predicts prices above $50 million per coin. Third, the institutional adoption model. As hedge funds, ETFs, and corporations add Bitcoin to their balance sheets, demand is projected to skyrocket. Think of BlackRock, Tesla, or even nation-states holding BTC. Grok's estimate here? Around $21 million. So how do you combine these wildly different forecasts? Grok doesn't just average the numbers. It uses a process called model blending. Instead of treating each model equally, it weighs them based on their track record, real-world data quality, and macroeconomic context. Think of it like AI-based triangulation. The CAGR model is grounded but conservative. Stock-to-flow is volatile but powerful in narrative. Institutional adoption is high potential but speculative. Grok combines them dynamically, adjusting weights in real time based on news, regulations, and adoption rates. Its final prediction? $25 million per Bitcoin in 2046. Let me respond to Grok's prediction from 5 different expert roles. As a crypto expert, this fits the extreme bull narrative we often see in the space. But even in the most optimistic cycles, we've never seen that level of price compounding last 20 years straight. As an investment analyst, $25 million per Bitcoin would imply a total market cap of over $500 trillion. That's more than 5 times the current value of everything: stocks, real estate, gold, you name it. It's not impossible, but deeply improbable without a global reset. As an economist, this prediction ignores regulatory crackdowns, deflationary spirals, central bank policies, and macro shocks. Grok may see the trend, but it misses the noise that shapes reality. As a currency forex expert, for Bitcoin to be worth $25 million, fiat currencies like the dollar or euro must collapse, or hyperinflate massively. That kind of scenario is rare and only happens during extreme global instability. As a financial journalist, this is a killer headline. But unless it's framed properly, with disclaimers and nuance, it could mislead millions. Great content, dangerous advice. But let's suspend disbelief. What if Grok is right? You'd live in a world where Bitcoin replaces fiat. Governments use BTC for trade. Central banks are obsolete. One Bitcoin buys a mansion or an entire apartment complex. In that world, your savings wouldn't sit in euros or dollars. They'd live in a cold wallet. Price tags might be written in satoshis, not cents. It's a futuristic dream, or a dystopia, depending on who you ask. Either way, it's radically different from the financial world we know today. Here's what's more realistic. Bitcoin continues to grow, but at a slower, more regulated pace. We may see $100,000 to $500,000 in the next 5 to 10 years, especially with ETFs, institutional holdings, and growing public trust. AI predictions like Grok's are useful, but they simplify reality. They don't account for black swans, political risk, or human emotion. Think of Grok's forecast not as a crystal ball, but as a provocation. It asks us to imagine, not to invest blindly. So, is Grok crazy or visionary? A $25 million Bitcoin sounds absurd, but it forces us to think bigger. AI may one day reshape investing, but even then, we'll need critical thinking, skepticism, and context. What do you think? Is Grok's prediction science fiction or financial foresight? Like the post. Follow Nuggy Zebra. Think smarter.